After having them installed for a couple of rides, I'm gonna be uninstalling the pegs. I may toss them on for a future video just to specifically show some peg stunts that you can do, but honestly, they're more of a hindrance, a deterrent, a con, in my opinion, than having them on. Is a crazy cart, a child's toy. Shoot, let's go second. You're at no real risk of scraping them when you're leaning over because the regular foot pegs are lower and you would hit those first before these rear pegs, but they are in a perfect spot to bash your shin if you're not paying attention, or even if you're being cognizant, you know that they're back there, you're still gonna graze that tender little bone on your ankle that you used to crack with a Razor scooter when you were a kid, and it hurts just as much. Oh, got myself at the peg a little bit. You gotta be careful. I'm not gonna be riding two up where a passenger needs to put their feet on the pegs, and I personally am not gonna be doing any really specific stunts on those pegs. I'd rather put a knee on the seat or toss a leg over the bars, go one-handed, no-handed, stuff that doesn't really require the pegs. Furthermore, if you're trying to do any kind of light trail work, there's a good chance that those get caught up on rocks, branches, and they're just kind of in the way.
Yeah, my pegs are wide, that sucks.
They do look cool. They do make the bike look a little bit more rad, but as far as practicality, I'm taking them off. They gotta go. Oh, there's a spider hanging from the, can you see that? There's a spider just drooping on down.